Hello, my name is Stephanie Calvertis. I belong to Group 1891. I am 24 years old. I have planned with my parents is to travel next year to Italy by night, where my night and we will stay at my brother's house. I am going to bring him some sweets that he asked me because they are not sold in this country. I am going to wear clothes because it's very cool, and I will have to buy more clothes that are suitable for the cold. And on the street, my dad and my mom, because we haven't seen my brother and my niece for a long time in this country. To be able to enter and sustain that in its vacation an amount of 13 million pesos must be brought for 3 people with an hotel and tourist plan. At the moment, we don't know how planned activities, since the main objective of the trip is to see again to our family. But by the time we are ready plan what activities we are going to do, and I will bring back memories for the people who live with me in Colombia, because I know that of daily will make them very happy. Thanks.